this is why gig work is not something that you can readily depend on. Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin' with Corey. We are out here on a Friday morning, and we have one goal in mind, and that is to finish our DoorDash challenge. We needed 4 deliveries to get a $50 bonus at Grubhub. I'm filming an intro here, my guy. This better be worth it. $4.88 for 2 miles. It's technically a high pay offer, but that's not good enough right now. Where was I before I was rudely interrupted? Yes, we are finishing a DoorDash challenge, 25 orders for 50 bucks. It's been on the table for a week. It's been a very slow week, and I am not done with it yet, but we needed 4, and we have accepted one. I don't have a screenshot because I suck, but it's about $6.50, $6.75 for 2 miles. Not the juiciest thing in the world, but there was nothing else going on. I have not had a single Spark offer in an hour and a half. I locked myself out of Uber until 1 o'clock. So Grubhub, that was the first Grubhub offer, Instacart ship. Nothing on the table, so we got to do something. So we have some tropical smoothie in our car. You can see my little fancy cup holder because they didn't give me a tray. And let's go deliver it 1.5 miles.
When does a sandwich cook?
When
When it is bacon.
Said like $6.50 or something in the app. Paid out $7, so woo, 7 for 2. I'll take it. Puts me 1 closer to my bonus. Problem now is that I can't log in. I'm locked out. It's gray everywhere. And again, I locked myself out of Uber Eats. It's luckily 11 o'clock, so I imagine the red DoorDash map will turn on pretty quickly. But as of now, we're just gonna wait it out and hope Spark comes in because we got nothing.
But I got nothing. 1 eternity later.
Guys, we literally waited for over an hour just to get on DoorDash. I still have not seen a single Spark offer. I was just talking to my buddy who I've been friends with for a few years, and he is one of those guys. I always joked that he had bots because he got orders way more than I did, and we were sitting in the parking lot talking for about an hour constantly, no interruptions. So it is January slowdown is real. We did just get another Panera offer, 8 for 4. I didn't get a screenshot again because I suck. I know, I'm going for 1,000 subscribers, if not already there at the time of this video. And I can't even take a screenshot.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Such a failure of a YouTuber. But yeah, 8 for 4. It's a single drop. It'll put me 2 away from the bonus. Let's go do it. All right, we got the goods, and we're presented with one of those situations where there's literally multiple ways to get to the address, and you got to pick which one because they're all basically the same. So it's a 3.5 mile trip. It told me it was 4.1 on the offer card, so I've automatically broken the system there and shaved some miles off. So let's drop it off. It's 12:03. We're gonna be at an amazing like $14 after this one, but that bonus is right on the cusp. Let's get it. Drop that one off. It was another one of those classic ones where you have to protect yourself because the drop-off notes say leave it on the porch. The instructions say hand it to me. I used to recommend the timestamp app for that. I've now changed my stance a little bit. I do think the timestamp app is still a great idea, but I've now shifted more to just take an in-app messenger picture. As long as it clearly shows their address, their number, all that fun stuff, just do an in-app chat messenger, because that way when they try to dispute, I didn't get my order, the chat record is still going to be there, that they're going to have to somehow dispute. And I have a secondary picture that I taken, and I have that note to defend myself. So always protect yourself. But now we are on 2 to go. Hopefully we can get it quickly and get our bonus and make some salvage out of the day. Managed to drive past a ton of places to get back to Walmart, about 3 dead miles back, and this is the first order that has come up. I need orders, it's dead. I'm not that desperate. Never ever succumb to a no-tip $2 order. I don't care the situation. We're gonna turn that down. It's 12:30, guys. No, it's 12:21. My shift ends at 12:30. And I tried hitting extend dash and it says there's no slot. So it's literally too slow for me to dash during lunchtime. And again, I have not had a Spark offer the whole time. And oh, my boy Jovin's still here. Let's see, we could talk to him. Let's see, we could talk to Jovin. My boy, is he still here or did he get a shop? Oh, his car is still here, but no, that's his car right there. He got a shopping order or he's getting lunch using the bathroom, but we're back at Walmart. It's still in the zone. 2 orders to go. I want to get it done by the end of lunch shift. Please, please send me something. Or if I can't get the DoorDash incentive done before lunch, hit me with a Spark. Give me a grocery run. Something. We're at $15, I think, in 3 hours right now. And I think we've been offered a combined like 9 offers on about 7 platforms. This is bad.
There's no end in sight in my life.
This is me being ultra transparent. I don't usually show my declines. 6.25 for 5.7. This would be a complete round trip. Again, certain orders you have to look at the location. That is a complete rural, a complete residential area. The only way to get back from that is a complete round trip back. So that would have literally been 6.5 for 10. I hate going out there for less than 15 bucks. And no matter where you are, again, certain zones, they have to be round trip. So next, $7 for 8 miles. There goes my acceptance rating. It's record high. Next.
So I'm gonna have to say next.
All right, we got one. It is this bad Larry. We'll screenshot it. $7.50 for 2.5. Looks like we're going right back to Panera. And maybe we'll get an add-on. It'd be fabulous to get an add-on and to kill this off at the same time, but it's going to go into some kind of a little office-y building. It's going to a good area. I can get orders out there. It's near McDonald's. It's near some things. So back to Panera and 1 to go. Orders picked up, but guys, we're in overtime right now. It's 12:32. My dash ends at 12:30. And again, as I showed you, it won't let me add more. We can't stop on 1 to go. Come on, DoorDash. Let's hope it lets me continue this dash. Just drop that off into a little office building. I've been in this area before, but just drop that off to her. No, easy peasy. And now, 1 to go. Sponsored by Credit One Bank.
1 lap to go. Presented by Credit One Bank.
That's for my NASCAR friends. We have 1 order left to get our $50 bonus. Again, we have grinded our way to like 20 something bucks in 3 hours. Again, this is why gig work is not something that you can readily depend on. Couple little talking points as we wrap this up and pray to be able to get back on for our last order. This is 300 plus of you have met me and joined this ride because of Walmart Spark. I would love to be doing Walmart Spark right now. That is still my app of choice. If I could park in the parking lot and camp and get Spark orders all day, I absolutely would. Unfortunately, my area doesn't support that anymore. So we're venturing here and trying to get what we can get on these various platforms, trying to hustle as much money as I can during these mother's hours that I traditionally work. And some days we can make $100, $150, $200 during this mother's hours shift, and days like today we're on the cusp for 20 bucks, but we'll artificially get boosted if we can pull off this bonus. But as you can tell, it's gray, and I'm not driving 15 miles out of my way to the northern zone to maybe get something. So we'll hold out. I'm sure it'll light back up for a little bit. It's still the edge of lunch. Something will happen. I didn't think there was a daisy chance in hell that I was not going to get this done during lunchtime. It is now 1:15 p.m. My map is gray. Have not had an opportunity to log on since then. I have not had a single Spark offer, and the only Instacart offer I've had was like $20 for like 20 miles. This is the worst weekday I've ever seen. So I'm going to start driving home. Maybe driving will manifest something, but yeah, normally I would, if I didn't have this bonus, I would have thrown in the flag already. But Walmart's given us nothing. And just for full transparency, because again, I haven't done one of these kind of videos in a while. No, my store is yellow. And I've had one Spark offer the whole day, and that was a double batch, $16 for 12 miles for 2 customers, a curbside pickup. Absolutely no way in hell that was getting done by me. My buddy has estimated there's 30 of us out right now. He is out a lot. He is a very keen eye, so I'm you know, likely to believe him when he thinks that. But luckily it's Friday. I guess I'll take you along for the dinner shift in a separate video, but maybe we can manifest this last order. All right, guys, so we're calling it. We didn't get it. I'm driving home. Even the zone further south that I like to do, that's not happening too. So we're gonna have to wait till dinner shift to get that incentive. So it is what it is. Here's what we made. The worst gig work mother's hour shift I have ever made in my life. You saw, yes, I turned down some orders, so yes, I could have made a few more, but as I always say, an incentive should never make you take bad orders. As I drive home, I have Sarah Elizabeth up. I want to thank her. She subscribed to me, and she's been trying to boost my subscribers. So me and her have a lot of similar content because we're parents, and we do this as you know, when we have time with our partners' schedules. So I want to thank you, Sarah, for that. And I want to thank everyone else. By the time this releases, I'm hopefully at 1,000. But if not, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Highly, highly appreciate it. Stay tuned. A bunch of stuff in the pipeline here. I got a bunch of ideas. I got to figure out how to do them and how to get them. But when I do it, they go and be good. So stay tuned for the ride. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Hopefully we can make more than $20 next time. Corey out.